Hello all, my name is Preeti and I am a certified professional makeup artist. So today I'll be doing this beautiful eye makeup look which I named it as Lavender Eyes. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the makeup tutorial. For preparing my skin, I'm using white hyaluronic acid gel based cream. This will actually hydrate my skin, and as it's gel based, this will also work as a primer. I'm also using makeup revolution based fixing spray all over my face, and then I'm going to wait for at least 1 minute till it dries. For the eye makeup, I'm using Morphie 35C palette, and from this palette I'm going to pick a royal blue shade on my brush and I'm going to apply it on my crease area. To make the shade more prominent, I'm taking these two shades from the same palette on my brush and start applying it on my crease area and blend it very well. Now because I'll be doing a cut crease, so I need to give little depth to my eyes, and for that I'm taking black shade on another brush and I'll deposit it on my crease area. I'm not using a lot of black. I have taken a very little amount of black on my brush. Now very important, you need to blend that black with the blue shade that you have created before. Now for the cut crease, I'm using a flat brush and I've used a liquid foundation as I was not able to find my concealer. As you can see, I'm cutting the crease according to my crease line area. That is, I am just cutting it according to my crease shape. Now before I deposit a glitter or any eyeshadow on this cut crease, I'll make sure that there are no lines of the foundation or concealer. If it's crease, then either you use your fingers to blend or you can also use a brush or even a wet beauty blender. Now because I've called it as a lavender eyes, so here I'm using a purplish glitter eyeshadow all over my crease. Now I'm applying the liquid liner, and the liner that I'm using here is a Lakme liquid liner. Now for the face, I'm using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop liquid foundation. For the shade, please do check the description box. I'm applying it first with the brush and then I'm going to blend it with a wet beauty blender. And now to set this foundation, I'm using LA Girl HD Press Powder all over my face, especially on my T-zone. I was recording this video at 12:30 AM and even my AC was on. Still, it was so hot in the room. So this powder will actually save my face from cracking and melting down my makeup. And for contouring, blush and highlighter, I'm using my favorite palette from Tarte Cosmetics. And to save all the hard work done on my face, I'm using a makeup fixer from Makeup Revolution. So I wanted to highlight my cut crease. For that, I'm just applying golden shimmer eyeliner on the cut crease above the eyeliner that I've used and also on my corner of my eyes. waterline, I am using a Lakme kajal and I wanted a very thick kajal, so I'll keep depositing it until I don't get the desired look. And to blend this kajal, I'll be using a purple eyeshadow. So here I've used an orange lipstick, and to outline I have used a liquid red shade lipstick, and will blend both lipstick to get the desired ombre effect. I'm not a big fan of applying a false lashes. I love to apply mascara, so here I'm using Maybelline Fan Effect Mascara on my lashes. So I just felt that little blending is needed on this eyeshadow, so I've taken a brown shade on a fluffy brush and I'm blending it all over my eyes. Now again, to save this makeup look, I am applying a makeup fixer, and that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this lavender eye makeup. If you are really enjoying my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.